Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share about Bonavita 8-cup coffee maker, one-touch pour-over brewing with thermal carafe, SCA certified, stainless steel. Details product. Bonavita's flagship coffee maker brews a full carafe in about 6 minutes. The artisan cafe-style brewer has a compact design and is great for coffee lovers to use in their kitchen or office. Golden Cup standard coffee maker is curated with features to mimic the artisan pour-over brewing method. Flat bottom filter basket leaves less mess and large showerhead creates perfect flavor for cafe-quality coffee. Showerhead and filter basket work in harmony to evenly saturate coffee grounds for uniform flavor extraction. Optional pre-infusion mode allows fresh roasted coffee to bloom before brewing to enhance its flavor. Our coffee brewers and kettles create enriching and delicious coffee experiences without fuss. As your trusted home barista, our appliances are designed to fit with all kitchen decors and deliver great brews all day, every day, cup after cup. Thanks for watching my video. Get best price and discount about this product by link in description. See you.